It's Wednesday the 25th of April and I won't be with you in class today because I'm fulfilling a long-standing arrangement that I made long before I knew I was going to be teaching these units. It's a Governors event where it's called Governors Contact Day, where we meet staff and students to try and get together some strategy for the future. And it's very important to me, and I think I like to do what I promised I would do. Don't worry, there's plenty for you to do too. There's lots of stuff on Moodle which you can carry on with for your session today. I'm here inside the middle page for the database units, and what I want you to do today is I want to make sure that you do watch all of the videos that I need to have you ready to discuss next week when we have our session on Monday, I believe. So you need to be absolutely confirmed that you've got your model working. You need to get that Visual Studio model ready so that we can get started on it next week. Of course, that involves you creating the model in DB Designer 4, getting it installed successfully onto SQL Server. Persistence, accuracy, let's make sure that you do that today. It can be done, everyone's doing it. You've done sample ones that you can test just to make sure that your server's working and so forth. So it's possible, you've got to get it done today. Then the videos I need you to watch is about, you've watched the one for creating the SQL Server database. Importing data from an external source. That's where once you've got your database in SQL Server, you must make sure that you import the core data that I've specified in the file there. So you're going to import the core data using the bulk statement in SQL Server, which is just running a query. Then what I need you to do is watch this video, Why Light Switch, which discusses rapid application development, which is going to be one of the assignments I'm going to issue you as an additional task that people can be getting on with while they're waiting for other people to catch up. I do want you to try out that light switch quiz to see whether the scoring system works. And then we can start to use Visual Studio Light Switch, which is using the application structure just here, and that's the video that you'll watch when you get to that stage. So you need to be able to do that today. The application structure is important. You need to watch that video too, so that we on Monday of next week and Wednesday next week we can be entirely productive. We can just get on with the stuff and do it. So there's plenty for you to do in the 2 hours. And if you manage to get all of that done, just make sure that all of your assignments which are listed down here are complete and absolutely up to date. The quicker they get done, so there's the core data down there, that's the one I want you to use, so I forgot about that. So you just need to make sure we get everything up to date as quickly as we can. The sooner we get finished, the sooner you can play with the stuff a bit more. So that's all I need for you today.